Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be showing you another DIY. So I have the shopping bag here. This is from Hermes. So if you have an Hermes shopping bag, you can repurpose this, reuse it, and recycle. So I decided to create a notebook out of this Hermes shopping bag. I have the holiday bag from Hermes, but I couldn't find it. I couldn't find it. But anyway, this is the iconic purse, iconic shopping bag from Hermes. And yes, I want to use this beautiful, nice orange box to cover a notebook. So anyway, I have actually put it on this beautiful box here, just like Hermes wrapped their their package. So okay, so what I use on this project is a shopping bag. So it could be any size. They have the smallest one, they have a biggest shopping bag. It could be any shopping bag from Hermes. So that's the one. And then second one is a glue. So I used once again the Hermes glue and the strong one. And then also I have a I actually like as soon as I got done putting it together with the glue, I actually put in a stack of books overnighted. So I did overnighted it. So yeah, after a couple of days, I was able to see the result. But this particular DIY notebook is a little bit of a challenging to me. And I'm going to explain it to you in a little bit, why it is such a challenging to me, because it took me a while to decide on what would be what would be the particular design or the outcome I wanted on this DIY, for the reason that I did use the smaller bag, the smaller shopping bag. And okay, let me show you the finished product. First, I put it on this beautiful Hermes box and wrapped it nicely. That's just how the Hermes wrap their stuff. And here comes the notebook. Oh my gosh, guys. Let me just put this box right here at the corner. Okay, so let me just put this one right here. And here comes my Hermes notebook. Wow. I don't know. So here's the thing that the challenging part is that the notebook is actually not enough. No, the shopping bag is actually not enough to cover the A5 size notebook. So it is actually showing here, as you guys can see right there, there's a hole. That is actually where they put the strap for you to carry. So there's a hole right there. And so I decided to, shall I just patch it or something? And then I decided to just actually put a ribbon in it. It looks a little bit I'm not really sure if it looks good just like with the ribbon itself, but I know that the ribbon is removable, so I could just take this one out. And so yeah, this is how it looks up close. Oh my gosh, this one, okay, this is such a really challenging part. So that's the hole right there that I was referring to. So then I did a DIY with a Dior, Gucci, and this is the third one, which is the Hermes. And this is the most challenging because the Hermes box, their material, the shopping bag, the material that they use for the shopping bag is very delicate. And it's so easy to get to crumpled. You can easily get crumpled, And I did put a glue around this like the entire part of this notebook. I put glue in it. So I used the brush to put the glue. And as you guys can see right here at the corner, well, this is the side where the crease is at for the notebook. See, when you open it and close it, yeah, you could easily see the crease, but I don't think that would bothers me. And that's the closer look of the notebook. That's the ribbon. And that's the side. And also at the back, I also like the back for this notebook. So because it's actually showing, right? Oh no, let me see. Yeah, it's right there. It says here, made in Italy, 100% recyclable, and things like that. And also, so as you can see that the smallest bag that they have, the smallest shopping bag that they notebook is actually not enough to cover the entire A5 size notebook. So what I did is just like, I actually went over on the inside of the shopping bag itself, and I was able to, like, yeah, it's just like a perfect but on this case I did try to push it, the shopping bag, a little bit at the bottom, so it's not showing the two holes for the bag, as compared on this, on the front page, on the front side of the notebook. So yeah, so the corner, so the ribbon looks really nice, I think. But yeah, that is just the whole idea, is just to cover, to repurpose the shopping bag. And I really enjoyed doing this. I know that this is one of the most delicate shopping bags so far, and you just have to be careful not to crumple it too much, because the material is very, very delicate. And also in the inside, I'm going to show you the inside. This one is again on this dotted notebook, perfect for bullet journaling. It could be anything though. So I'm going to show you the inside. So this is how it looks inside. It's just plain orange. I decided to put the plain orange right here on the inside, and as you look at it closely, that is actually from the Hermes box. So I cut the box from Hermes, and they have those Hermes, there's a horse right there carrying a orange bag, and I did put a sticker as well with a bunch of horses. There's a lot of galloping horse on the design. I enjoyed that a lot, because the Hermes, that is the iconic design, is a horse, the galloping horse. It's just like I put it all around it, and I think it looks pretty neat though. You could just use anything. So the whole idea is actually to recycle. So all of these I have here are recycled already. These are just I got this one from the store when I purchased an Hermes, and all of these are out of those shopping bags, the ribbon, the boxes, and everything. So yeah, and I think it turned out pretty good though, just by looking at it. It looks very, very tidy, just like this. But then again, if you could actually embellish the notebook however you wanted. And it is such an exciting, because I just got all of those materials that I have that I would use, cut it. It takes some time. But I just really wanted to get this simpler look. Like, the simpler it is, the better. But if you wanted to put a lot of embellishment, you could do. You're free to do however you wanted on your notebook. But I have given you an idea on how to do a DIY notebook out of an Hermes. But we know that the notebook refill from Hermes, as far as I remember, I purchased one for $65. That is for, like, this one. This is my agenda from Hermes, and this is the refill for this is $65. This is the comparison. And yeah, and this one is, I just purchased the notebook itself for $3 once again, and it is actually a really high quality notebook from Vera Bradley. I'm a little bit surprised because I got it on sale for $3. I know that the Vera Bradley notebook, they are a little bit pricey, around $15, and I really love the quality of this notebook because yeah, it looks like, yeah, this one looks like it has been stitched right here on the side. But yeah, I really like that it could lay flat like this. So very useful, very functional. And also, once again, this one has a bookmark here. You could use this Hermes ribbon as a bookmark. I didn't really want to go through that because I just really wanted to keep it simple as it is. But I am just to give you an idea on how to use the ribbon. We could do that one as well. That would have been perfect. Yeah, this is such an exciting DIY for me. And if you haven't watched my first video on my DIY, I have a Dior, and I'm gonna put up the link right here on top of me for my Dior DIY notebook if you're interested. And so this is my Dior right here. This is my one of my first DIY project. So this is the Dior, and also a Dior as well. And I also have a Gucci right here. So if you are interested of how I did my Gucci also, I am going to put the link right here at the top, so you guys will be able to see the video on this and the interior and everything. And here is my Hermes. So yeah, out of this notebook that I have here, I think my favorite is, they're all my favorite because I put a lot of effort in making them. But if I were to choose one, I would go for this. This one is still my favorite print. It is so easy to make. This one is really made up of high quality materials from Dior, and it's just so easy to maneuver the paper. It's so easy to carve into the notebook. So I didn't have a hard time actually making this notebook compared to Hermes and also Gucci. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, please do consider subscribing my channel, and also give me a thumbs up, and I will see you again on my next DIY video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.